If you're looking for a good headset with a decent microphone, then Logitech H111 could be your best option. It costs only around $10, but at this price range, this one is pretty good. Okay, let's first unbox it. Unboxing is very simple for this headset. You will get the headset and some papers. There are two versions of this headset. H111 is the single port and H110 is the dual port headset. The microphone is adjustable, which is a good thing. And you will get a long cable. It's around 6 feet long. The headset is very light. It's only 74 grams. It's a 3.5mm single port headset. If your desktop doesn't support single port, you can use one of these audio extension cable. And if your phone doesn't have a 3.5mm jack, then you can use a Type-C to 3.5mm audio adapter. Now let's check the sound quality. I know you can't properly get a good understanding about the sound quality, but in a YouTube video, I can't do anything more than this, right? The sound quality is clear but not that loud. If you're planning to buy a headphone for gaming or music, this is not the headphone for you. This is mainly designed for professional business use or for online classes. Okay, now let's check the microphone quality. Hello there, now I have the headphone connected to my phone using a Type-C to 3.5mm audio adapter. I'm not adding any effects or filters. And this is how the microphone sounds. Now I have the headset connected to my computer and this is how the microphone sounds. So now you have a clear idea about the mic of this headset. I would say it's pretty good. Okay, so this was the quick review of Logitech H111 headset. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching this video.